Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about nervous tissue. So let's start today's class. Nervous tissue is one of the four major classes of animal tissues. The cells of nervous tissue are highly specialized than the other cells of the body. The brain, the spinal cord and nerves all are composed of nervous tissue. Nerves run to and from brain and spinal cord, connecting these organs to various parts of the body. Some of these nerves receive stimuli from within the body or from the external world and carry these messages to the brain and spinal cord in the form of short bursts of electric current known as impulses. Other nerves carry messages from the brain and spinal cord to various parts of the body which then act accordingly. Nervous tissue contains two categories of cells, neurons or nerve cells and neuroglia. Neurons or nerve cells transmit electrical impulses while neuroglia do not. Rather, they help in supporting and protecting neurons. Now let us see the functions of nervous tissue. So three main functions of nervous tissue are there: sensory, integration and motor. In sensory function, it collects the information from sensory receptors and sends the message to brain or spinal cord. In integration, this process involves the combination of sensory perception and higher cognitive functions such as memories, learning and emotions to produce a response. Motor function helps to control and coordinate the movement of muscles. Nerve impulses allow us to move our muscles when we want to move. The functional combination of nerve and muscle tissue is fundamental to most animals. This combination enables animals to move rapidly in response to stimuli. Look at the diagram in which you can see that the sensory receptors are putting the sensory input into the brain or spinal cord where the integration is going to take place, and then the brain or spinal cord gives out the motor output to the muscles which are termed to be as the effector cells. Now let us talk about the structure of a neuron or nerve cell. So three main parts of a neuron are there: a cell body or cyton, an axon and dendrites. A cell body contains a nucleus and cytoplasm, and from the cyton short hair-like extensions arise which are termed to be as dendrons. These dendrons further branch into thin dendrites. Axon is a single long tail-like cylindrical process with fine branches at the end. Axon is covered by a sheath called myelin sheath. Dendrites of a neuron are in close contact with the branches of the axon of another neuron to facilitate traveling of nerve impulses. At this point only, we have the release of the neurotransmitter. An individual nerve cell may be up to a meter long. Bundles of nerve fibers along with connective tissue make up a nerve. So that's all about the nervous tissue.